finger. Just hurt my finger on my desk with the beast of burden. Damn. Good morning, everybody. Pro Trader Mike, Mojo. How's it going? Excellent day. Got the webcam a little dark. Good morning. It's Thursday, May 18th at 9 a.m. And this is the live stream for the stock market for the MOJO Day Trade Show. I'm Pro Trader Mike, founder of MOJO Day Trading. Hi, everybody. Nice to see you. Welcome aboard. Welcome aboard. Let me show you what we got going on. Here's the MOJO Day Trade room. So right now, let me show you what we got going on. So we are on live streaming right here in the room. They're looking at some news on some stocks, but we did do some trades this morning. Let me show you. Right off the bat, pre-market trade number one. First of all, we held UVXY overnight. I woke up at 6:39 a.m. and I sold it up into this high, into 1680. It was 1641 right there. Great overnight hold. And then I went back to sleep. Then I woke up again and it was lower. I can't believe it, 1562. So we did entry number one right here under 65. And if it goes lower, we're gonna add a little bit. And then if it goes higher, we're gonna do it. Right now, trade on UV 15, hold on. Gotta do a buy. Right here, guys, tap. Right here. So we're in it right now. This just went out, this is the ad. Right here, so we're going to add again. Let's go back to the trade. Getting to 1,000 shares, just like we did before. So it went right here on the entry, and then it went right here. We're going to add just 100. And then if it goes higher, we're going to add again. Filled long 200. I got 800 to go. Here we go. We added back into 5067. First trade, boom, it jumps right into 76. I sold 74 part of it, sold 79 part of it, sold 84. We're trailing 200 at 1565. Then she jumps right into 1592 for a Heinz trade play. We go 1596, and we Heinzed it for Heinz number 5030 at 1606. Flat at 1619, and now we're trading it again. We just bought another 100 right here under 580. You can't get filled? Why is that? That's terrible. Everyone should be able to get filled on UVXY. And that's how that works. So all the demos have been set up this morning. Everybody's rock and roll. None of the demos have ability to trade pre-market or in the after hours. So maybe you're not getting filled because you can't get filled because you don't have pre-market ability. I have the new demo program working really nice. Real excited about that. So I had the mute on. The room wasn't hearing me. I apologize about that. Hey, Pistol, there's no aftermarket or pre-market trading with the demos. So you're just going to have to wait till the market opens. Don't want to ruin your day now. Being a little antsy. And that's what we're going to do. Hope everyone's going to have a really good day. We did a great trade already, and we're in another one right now. And here's the MOJO Day Trade room. It's going to be disappearing now back to the other screen so we can watch the platform. Everyone looks over my shoulder. I'm really looking at the one right here. It's black by the room. Doesn't really make a difference. I could look at either one. Whoops. Ooh, look at that tiger. And everybody's listening to me right here on the voice connected, guys. Got all my traders lined up. Everyone's listening. Got the 10K challenge happening right now. Looking real nice. Yep, you can't get filled, you can't get filled, you can't get filled. UVXY was one of the greatest days yesterday. I mean, really, traders, was a record profit day for trading. We held overnight right here at 1608. We did. I ain't joking. The watch list going. So, I'll show you last night. I told everybody, we all made the decision to hold. Dow's down 314. We're on fire. Right here at number 5,028 for Hines. LABD flat, LABD ripped. MOJO University tonight, 8 p.m. guys. See you there in class. Unreal on the stock, UV amazing. Here's 1550 for number 5,029 through Mini Hines. And then we did 16. Look, I'm holding overnight for the Marabuzu close right here at 1561, which was the high. 1560, and sold it up a point higher this morning. Told you. And here, right there, 3:52 p.m. yesterday. 3:55 p.m. yesterday. And then right here, this is where it closed at 80. And then right here, 5:17 p.m. she rocketed in the after hours, and that's where it closed. And then this morning she opened up huge. That's what we got going on. So let's see what else is hot today. ETRM's up 46 cents. It was a dog yesterday. I was looking at it, man. Look at yesterday. It was down there at 410. Be a good trading stock today, ETRM. It's PLC's $124 stock. I don't like it. This one, AFMD. Look. Float. AFMD. A lot of float. ETRM, Sandex Pharmaceuticals, $15. See what the float is on that. Float is a lot. INCY, $130. Delete. DSLV, $27. Credit Suisse Velocity. Delete. XGTI $1.92 for Hines 2. Keep it. We're up to number, and UNIXL right here, going through 44 cents. You guys that want to play small stocks. But we have number 5,031 to 5,035 coming up on Hines trades, or Mini Hines. I think we can get up to 5,040 today. 5,039 and 5,040. Got them all lined up. We'll nail them one at a time. Here we go on the U's. In on the U's, 1580 on the watch list. That's about it. We're just going to trade UVXY. Watch list is not too predominantly exciting. Nailed it yesterday on 2 of them that were on there. That was about it. I like UNIXL. I'll put up UNIXL at 43 cents on the watch list. Done. Alright. A little bit of a profit. A little bit of a profit, guys. Got a box now, UV between 1589 on the high to 1572 on the low. Some pretty cool stuff yesterday with the when I was calling out after the show the level 2, reading the level 2 on exactly on how it was moving and what it was doing yesterday. That was pretty exciting. It was pretty cool, man. Pretty cool. Yo, is people here? Is anybody in the room? I'm just making sure. I'm just making sure. You know what I'm saying? It's one of those things again. It's one of those things, you know? Just making sure because, you know, it's one of those things. I just want to make sure you're ready for the trades. That's all. You know what I'm saying? Because nobody says nothing. Everybody's silent. It's only 9/11. I don't know what you could be doing. No one has access to trade on the demos in the pre-market. And we should be like, check out this stock, Mike. What about this one? Look, this one looks good, Mike. What about this one? You should look at this one, Mike. Wow, check out this one, Mike. And when you have more than 2 eyes scanning, more than 2, it really works amazing. But when I'm sitting here and there's 100 people in the room and not one person is even doing anything, saying, Mike, what about UV right now, Mike? What should I do? Nobody. Do it yourself. Filled. Do it yourself. Nice. How's it look? Looks good. Up $1.71. Already over $7. Nice. Looks solid. Do it. Added 1564. Thank you. 1565. 1566. 67. 68. Add another 100. Knock it out. You should be long 300 shares of UVXY right now. 700 to go. Wonderful. That's how it does. We just sold it at 16.19. First green bar on the 1 minute, we nail 1,000. I'm going to 1,500, folks. Right here. You ready? There's the 1 minute. There's the 1 minute. If there's a lemon squeeze that happens, I'm going to go more. I can go up to 3,000 UV. That's the max. Most other people are set 2,000, 5,000, 3,000, and 1,000. You guys can trade pre-market and put in orders. Demo 13 is rejected for 500 UV. Let me ask you a question. Demo 13. Why are you buying? You only have 1,000 share capability. Why are you buying 500 in one shot? Why? You can explain. 500 in one shot. Demo 13. Rejection. Can't trade pre-market, number 1. And why are you buying 500? Why aren't you buying 100? And get into the position with 100. You can do 500, 500. I'd rather do 100, 200, 700, or 100, 900. Why go 500? What's the 5 going to serve you? Nothing. You want to get a better average, so the next one's going to give you the average. It's not the first one. The first one's the dip of the toe in the water. Because you can't trade. Good question. I got a great question from Trader Pistol. Let me show you, buddy. Watch. It came in the thing. Look, this is Pistol's question. He says his order doesn't fill. Because it's a market order. You have to trade limit in the pre-market. The market's not open. So you have to change that to Smart L. Got it? Where did I tell you the stock was going to come down to? UVXY. Lori. Incorrect. Look again. Look when I gave the signal. Look again, Lori. Where did I tell you the stock was going to come down to? To be patient. Incorrect. Correct. That is incorrect, Lori. Correct, Boggs. I told you it was coming to 51. That's where I told you it was coming. And now it's here. See, if you look back at the original buy, Lori, the original buy, right here. See? Entry, 1590. If it goes lower, we're going to wait to 51. So I just tapped it, 1 to 2. I only got 300, 400 shares. That's it. Now you wait to 51, and then you hit. You see? Lori, do you see? And then we're going to sell out of it and not make any money. You see? Right there. Not 72, not 64, 51. Do you see? 51. That's it. Now it's going to go back up, and we're going to break even. That's all. Do whatever you want. You can't trade pre-market. I don't know what you're talking about. You're not a pro trader. Oh, yeah, you did because you took the courses online. But you're in the live course now. So you can't. Got to wait till the market opens. In your demo, your other account, I don't know what you're doing. You can do whatever you want in your other account. Absolutely. You practice on the new platform today, for sure. Get that in. Get that baby in. Hold on. Added a little bit. First green bar right there. Thank you. See, you have to do that. See that first green bar right there on the 1 minute. Got to add. Now when it goes back up to 70, we'll be even and breaking. Breaking even. That's what we do. It's no big deal. That's how we rock and roll. We sold the first one how long ago? Right here. Where was that? 1619 right here. Yeah, we sold it right there. 8:45 a.m. Good one. That was a good one. You can become the next pro trader. Took a stroll. Beach came up this morning. It was really nice out. Took a nice stroll onto the beach. Came in. Did some good trading. That's how it works. Here we go. Right back on the UV. We're looking good. 66. Told you we'd go to 51. You know why it does that? You know why it goes to 51? You guys know why? What the answer is? I told you yesterday. Don't show nobody, but I told you yesterday. Yeah, that's why. That's why. Better believe it. Better believe it. Yeah, that's why. You remember. Man, Omar's bad at that. He couldn't hold it. He's like, oh. It's funny. Corrupted file. I got a new, because I have a new one for you, Buster. I think you got one of the first ones. There's a new, hold on a second. There's a new download link. Hold on, you got to download a new version. It's a new version. What are you, Bustafoo? You're Bustafoo. Let me see which number you are. You're number 3. You're one of the first ones, correct. So yeah, you got a different one now. Let me show it to you. I just emailed it to you, Dave. Title on the subject line is New X. So use that. Download that new version. Yeah. Oh, you were on Skype? Yes, then you're going to have to retype with them on Skype and get it fixed. No problem. I'll fix it right up for you. All right, here we go. Profitable now. Come on now. Here we are. Told you. Mojo doesn't lose. You like that eagle vision? You like that bump down? Little tap, tap. Nail it. Now we're profitable. Most people are losing. That's how we rock and roll. Sold. Yeah, boy. Here we go. 74. Come on now, mama. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, Mojo. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. See, I could trade these because the market can't short against me. See that eagle vision? Hey, trade a lorry. You see that? Normally you would have lost on that trade, but with the Mojo you won. That's why you do 100, 200, then 700, and you don't lose. You see that, Tiger? That's why you don't lose. 100 at 90, we did. 200 at 70, right? And then 700 at 55. And now we're profitable, break even at 70. Haven't lost one penny. Where everyone else would have lost. I know it's a bad trade, but I didn't lose no money on it. I said that as soon as it printed down 5 cents after we bought the first 100. I said I'll buy again, but if it goes up, I'll break even. I don't need to make no money. That was the deal. Deal's done. Sealed in cement with the trading gods. Done. I don't need to do nothing else. Sonny runs away. In Sundays, into the Badlands, Sonny ran away from the widow. He ran, climbed up over the wall, and got away. No problem. Did you see that? You saw that, right? He doesn't have to fight every single one. No, you can rebuild. No, I don't have a file layout. Sorry, Bustafoo. I don't trade on TradeX. I think you should rebuild it. What are you going to miss? The open? Give me a break. Take time and put your car together, dude. Car's in the shop today, not on the track. Take your time. You ain't missing nothing. You think, yeah, what's more important is taking your time with the demo and getting used to it than doing one trade. You're going to do 10 million trades if you do it right. So take the time and set up your shop correctly. There's crap. Do you know on Twitter all of the traders are having trouble right now? Do you know that? All of them. They were trying to short CETX yesterday into our stuff. Did you see that? CETX. They were trying to short it through $4. Didn't work. Yeah. Yeah. I look on Twitter, man. I see it all. That's right. 5 minutes to the open. Yep. CETX. How's that GLYC looking there, Carol? Long UVXY entry right here, number 1. Right now. My price gets lowered. Yeah, boy! From 75, 74 to 55, 57, boy. New cost. See how you do it, Trader Tiger? You'd still be in the old trade. Still be in the old. Now you have a brand new position ready to go again. That's how you become a Mojo trader. You'd be in it all day probably. If it gets stayed in the 15, 25 to 50 range and it never goes to 70 again, you would have missed the opportunity. You'd be stuck in it all day. That's the Mojo trader. I don't win on all the trades. I don't. But I win every day with the traders. because of what we just did. I recognize it's not a good print, and I'm willing to accept the loss. That's how you do it. That's how we rock and roll. It's a beast, man. If you don't treat it like that, you, Carol, you better be careful on that GLYC. It's single line traded on the level 2. It's thin as can be. It could spank you down to $7 in a heartbeat. And I would really be careful. I would really be careful. Look what it's doing. Stock just went from 56 to 30 in a second. Yeah, I would be very off the reservation there, Mrs. Carol. You'll ruin yourself. Don't do that. You think if GLC was good, I'd be in it with you. It's not where the money's made right now. Scalping UV's where the money's made. And we can do that very well. We have a box trap on it now. Every time it dips, you tap and buy it. Every time it surges back up, hit it and sell it. It's pretty easy. You just have to get used to it. That's all. Comes down, just go boof, boof, boof. Look, you're on a per share, most of you. Tap it. Just hit it 100, hit it 300, hit it 500. Hit it 200, now you're long 1,000. As soon as you get a green pump up, boom, come in and crunk it. Come in like a wrecking ball. We don't got no firm up on the 1 minute. Wait till it firms up on the 1 minute. GLYC, I wouldn't touch it with a 10-foot pole. Not touching it with a 10-foot pole. Touch it with your 10-foot pole, not my 10-foot pole. Here we go. How you trade, Mojo. Now we're going to wreck it. Now she's going to go pumping. Watch. I'm coming in. You're a weak piece of shit now. You watch. You think you're fooling me? Ha ha. Get ready, Mojo. You weak little piece of crap ass. You think you're going to dip to 51? I don't think so. Bombs are going off. You dull little creature. You dull, dull, dull little creature. Here we go. Get ready. Add. Filled 200. Here we go. Filled 63, filled 64, filled 65, long 2,000. Sold 74. Sold 74. Sold 74. Sold 74. Sold 74. Wait. Rebuy now, 63, 62, rebuy, filled, filled. Get ready to sell right into the 70 again. Yeah, boy. See, that's how we do it. Get ready, here we go. GLYC's freaking out. 8 just went to Heinz 8. I didn't want to catch it. I'm just trading my UV. I passed on it. Dow's down 41. Love it. Filled. 57. Sold 64. Sold 69. Sold. Yeah, boy! 500 left. Sold 100. 400 left. $300 left. Yeah, boy. How we do it, Mosh? How we do it? People watching, I'm making money. What the F? Laugh out loud. What's so funny? What's so funny? It's not crazy. Normal. CETX Heinz 4. Bid buy. Out of UV. Here it comes down. Wait. Now, 50, now, new trade, yeah, boy, yeah, I nailed it, I printed the low, 50, oh, it went lower, 49, buying 500, filled 500 at 47, 48, 49 right here. Yeah, boy. You see, girls and gals, if you were in the original 1570 and you didn't get out and you try to miss it again, you'd missed it again. That's 2 spanks for you in a row. Told you it's coming down to 51. Nah, everyone's active. Gotta be live and connected. ETRM Heinz 5, long, filled. Fill it, $5. They just coming for it. UV tap again. UV tap again. Beautiful opportunity. Long 3 going for 7 on the first minute. Wait for the 1 minute. Hit the green for 1,000. Look at that GLYC got murdered. Murdered from up there. 865 to 760. You'd be destroyed. I'm so glad we didn't trade that. ACHN long 500. Entry. Added 1,000 UV on the green. 500, 500. Yeah, that's what I use a chart for, guys. Look, it's making a green little bar. Right down at stopping station. Filled. Because the Dow just went positive. I got 700. 1,700. I'm going to 2,500 UV and then hitting 500 more for a 3,000 share position. Filled. Staying with ACHN. Staying with ETRM. ETRM just got taken. Things are moving fast, guys. ETRM just got taken. Shit, now I'm down on UV. Now it's got to go back up right here. I'm fully in 3,000 shares. UV stops 14.51. 20 cents from my final scale. Three stocks, ETRM, ACHN, and UVXY. Come on, UV. I sold you this morning at 16.80, you biatch. It's 14.80. Do your own sales on ETRM. Yes! Sold 100, 15.19. I ain't scared of UV here at all. I'm long 3,000 UV, guys. Live. If I lose on it live, I lose on it live. Big deal. I've made money on it 3 times already. I don't think I'm going to lose on it. I think it goes back to 15 with a big green bar up. Dow's positive for what? It's a piece of shit. Rebuying back ETRM right here. Rebought back ETRM. ACHN's moving. Here it goes through 20. Go, boy. Go, AC. I'm not even looking at the UV. It'll come back. Just look at the AC. Look at the other two. This is where it dropped to before. It's going to go back. Come on, you hold your head at 51. Yes. 51's the bottom. Hold your head right here at 51. Cool. It held. 64. Yes, boy. See that hold, boys? 72! See, they suck people out at 51. Did you see that? Fuck yeah, boys. Nice. Saw it. Holding like a rock. Holding like a rock. Dude, we knocked off like 4 Heinzes this morning. ETRM, CETX, UVXY. We knocked off a couple of them, man. Oh, yeah, it's coming back, dude. Right now, Bubba. Told you. Thank gosh it held at 51. I was going to bail if it went down under 40. I was like, dude, I'm out. It's going to go into the next stop. It's going to go all the way down. Held nicely. All right, the shares that I bought down there, I've sold. I have half of it left. 14.74 sold. See if we get higher for the rest. Yeah, here we go. That's what I told you to do the other day, Metal. Remember, Metal? You buy the bump. The bump shares you have to sell when it bumps back up. And then hold the other original. And then if it goes lower, you know where it goes. You're going to lower your cost average. Sold 100 at 79. I'm even here on it. This is even. Profitable on it now. Didn't lose on UVXY. That's how it's done, boys. Trade's over. Trade's over. That's how it's done. How much you lose on UV? How much you buy on the first share? What was your first lot? What was your next one? Yeah, that sucks. New traders, beware. You must learn the MOJO scaling sequence and methodology. Hold off on your trades for real for the first week. Either paper trade or do a tenth of your size. Because you're not looking to make a profit. You're looking to learn the scaling sequence and methodology. Don't let your lack of knowledge, Eagle Vision, 2 days in a row cause you to take losses when others are making profits. It's going to leave you frustrated with a feeling you can't do this. Hold on. I don't care. Long at 85, 86. Hold on. P.S. You should only do Heinz trades as you're most probably going to lose on everything else. Okay? Sold. Made 11 cents. 300 left. Sold. 200 left. That's Heinz number 50 something. Sold, 100 left. Flat Heinz. Why are you logging off? See you later. Bye. Why are you logging off? Now it's flying. Look, 15.19. Son of a bitch, huh? It's all right. We were losing on it for a big... That's not my money. That ain't my money. Son of a bitch. Excuse my French. Bitch. Market's down 31 now. Kidding me? You got it, Gerardo. Pissed. Pissed, man. Sold it at 1504 and 1509. Was the end. I can't believe it's 1540. Man. Yeah, I got sweaty hands too. Did it live though, man. Didn't lose. Didn't win a lot though on that one. Earlier though, we won a lot. Still up 4.5% though for the day. Now it's 1554. Can't believe it. Good grief is right. Really spit on us, didn't it? Yep. Nah. Yeah, that's not a wow trade play. Should have held it for your break even there, Mr. Eagle Vision. Look at it at 1560. Holy shit. I can't believe the run it just did. From 1460 to 1560 without stopping in 2 minutes. Can you believe it? I'm done. Hands are sweaty. I've sold ACHN. I sold ETRM. I sold the UV. I'm done. I'm keeping it really green today. Jeez Louise. Can you believe it? Boom. I'm going to take 1,000 into Heinz 3. Did it yesterday. I'm doing it today. You got it, Leeson. Amazing. Amazing. And that was all live. All live. No other moderators do that. No other moderators do that. Right back. Make sure the connection's all connected up good on that. Yeah, no other moderators or rooms would dare to do that. They lose bad, their whole reputation's on the line. I'll show you. If I lose, man. Don't care. DGF, MFH, that's tonight. Motto time. Here, Remy, in the other room. Can't believe it. Yeah, Remy Roo. Man. Can't believe how that ran after we sold it. Nah, I'm done with ETRM. I'm not trading the small ones. You can. No more ACHN, no more ETRM, no AFMD. Look, delete, delete, delete. I'm leaving that. Pull them up. I have pull them. Good day today, everybody. There it goes again, another big spike. It's crazy. Crazy. Stock's wild and crazy. All right, I'm regrouped from my last trade on it. Here goes CETX through 4. UV's through 1550 long. All right. Here's 46, 47, 53. Filled right there. Another one. Another one. I have 400. That was quick. Now I have 1,000. Okay. I got 1,000 UV. I'm back in. I have 1,200. 1,500. All right, I'm good right there. Let's see what else we got. $281. 421. All right. Add it again. It's only 950. You believe it? Dude, that was the craziest trade before on UV. Here it goes again. Feels like 2 p.m. I know, right? 12 million shares on UV. This is a half a day's volume right here. Sold 29 right there. Sold 29. Another good one. Another one earlier. Yo, the LOLs have to stop. LOL is a sign of disrespect. I don't like when people do LOL in the room. You know what's nicer to do? You go up to the avatars and you pick a smiley face and you go like that. That means you're a happy person. When you go LOL after someone says something, it's like you're laughing at them. Do you understand, guys? In the room? Metal? Metal? Good. Because I wouldn't go like this right back at you right now. LOL. That would mean like I'm laughing at you, dude. It's not nice. Sold. Do your own thing on the UV cells here. Sold. 39's next. Job, Alan. Yep. Great trading on that. Again, thank gosh it came back again. Here we go. At 2,000. On the ask at 53 and 54. They're playing with it. Come on now, rip it through 50. Here we go.
Yeah, baby.
Here we go.
Yeah. Well, yes. Give me a Y, give me an E, give me an F. Yeah.
Here we go. Dow down 50. Got guys playing E-minis right now. Weak. The Dow is up 20, man. It's very volatile. Went down again like that. Look at those swings in the UV. It's unbelievable. We haven't seen nothing like this in a couple of months. Couple of months, man. Absolutely. A couple of months. Nothing like this. Dime a second. Yeah, it's a once-in-a-lifetime trading opportunity on UV. It is. I'm out. I didn't make nothing really on that last trade. Made small. I gotta go regroup. My hands are all sweaty. Dude. Wild and crazy, man. I gotta go take a break. Because, dude, the demo's working for Bustaflu. How you guys doing in the demo? Oh, one guy already got locked. Who got locked? Let's see what happened. Demo 7. Let's see what happened. Let's see. Demo 7. Let's see what you did. Demo 7 did UVXY, bought 100, bought 300, bought 500 at 1551. Nice. And then bought 1,000 and got auto closed. Triggered at 935. And then it sold you. And then you bought it sold you. Let me see your execution. Let me get rid of this. Hold on. So you bought 1,000. That was the sell. So you bought 100 at 64. You sold it at 69. You bought 100 at 52, 100 at 52, and 300 at 50. and then 500 at 39. And it stops you out at 17 at what time? 9:35. I think your parameters are too tight. Right here at 5, yeah, it went lower. Went to 14.49, so it did its job. See that? It did its job. Now we'll turn it back on, you can retrade it. The system protected you. So that's actually good that happened. So now you go 5, we go 6, and do another trade. Go ahead, you're all updated. The name is Bond, James Bond. Cool, guys. So thank you so much for going through that little roller coaster with the MOJ. Do we have a roller coaster up here? Yeah, I do. Phew. That was a roller coaster. Phew. All right, everybody. Pro Trader Mike signing off. Peace. I'll do a MOJO show later this afternoon, probably. Give you some educational entertainment, more, not just trading, why these things happen, maybe a little bit of this, a little bit of that. But I appreciate everybody watching. Thanks for watching me on YouTube, everybody that's watching me on YouTube. Shows 57 minutes today. It's pretty long, and live trading. So that's pretty cool. Let me see what time it is. It's 9:58. Let me see on YouTube when it goes to 9:59 how much of a delay we have. This is like a 20-second delay. Let me see. There's exactly a 26-second delay. 28-second delay on YouTube. Not in the room. In the room's real time. That 20 seconds could make or break the trade. So if people that are looking to trade, you need to do it in the room. You can become a member. Go to mojodaytrading.com/special and you can join us. Pro Trader Mike signing off. Peace. See you later.